Councillor for the Point Hill Division in St. Catherine, Wesley Suku, was found dead at his house in Green Acres this morning. Crime officer for the St. Catherine North Police Division, Deputy Superintendent Leighton Blackstock, said preliminary investigations show that Mr. Suku died several days ago.
The helper came in and saw flies around, and she suspected something. She went to a side window, and when she went there, she was greeted by a foul scent. And as such, she alerted the neighbors, and they went to the Green Acres police where they made a report.
DSP Blackstock says so far foul play has been ruled out. He said Mr. Suku suffered from a serious heart problem.
We have done our due diligence, and we are satisfied that nothing untoward has happened. What I can say based on my interview with relatives is that he actually did a heart surgery sometime last year, which was a major one. And we strongly suspect that that might in some way contributed to him being in this position at this time.
Meanwhile, Mr. Suku's colleagues are expressing sadness and shock at his death.
Express condolences to his family, to his friends, to the members of the Point Hill Division, and to, at this time, to give whatever support we can to all concerned to sort out this very unfortunate situation.
He's one of those councillors who you would be in your presence and you don't recognize that he's there. He's of a very quiet disposition, not someone who's very, as they say, politicians are always making themselves present wherever they go. He's one of those persons who would have been hidden.
It is a very sad day for us. We have lost a worker, a good friend, and a family man who has dedicated his life to public service